Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the theme she chose for this month is my favorite fruit. So I'm going to start with this watermelon table runner that I ordered from Amazon. So one of my favorite fruits is watermelon. And I like that this table runner has the black and white checkered trim. Next, I'm going to be adding these beautiful fruit plates by Cribson. These are hand painted. I've had these for a long time. And then next I'm going to be adding these, I think they have kind of a country look, but there's a little apple on the front. And these are from the Cades Cove collection. I believe I got both plates at Walmart years ago. Next, I'm going to be adding my napkins. I have 2 yellow and 2 red with a buffalo check ribbon tied around. And then I have my crystal large wine glasses from the Dollar General with some lemon and lime wedges in it. And then also from Amazon are these adorable little watermelon milkshakes. They've got the little sprinkles. This one says Sweet Summertime. And it was a set of 2. This one says Life is Sweet. And I think the 2 little straws are adorable. And I love the little watermelon wedge on top. Now another favorite fruit of mine are blueberries. So I've added these little blueberries to this little bowl that's also on top of a blueberry plate that I recently thrifted. Now here's the centerpiece, and it's a tier tray with my faux cupcakes on top with a few lemon wedges in between. And what I want to do is I'm going to be adding these napkins to the bottom tier and adding watermelon to that. And I had already cut them into slices. Now there is an upcoming collaboration titled Watering Watermelon, and there I will show you how I cut up a whole watermelon, which is really easy and fun, so stay tuned for that. That is also hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So there we go. Doesn't that look nice? And then here is a watermelon plate that I thrifted, and I'm just going to add the tops of the watermelon that I created a little star shape on top. So when you tune into the Watering Watermelon collaboration, I'll show you how I cut the star into the top of the watermelon, just like this. Now next I'm going to be adding this basket full of faux grapes. This is a Longaberger basket. I happen to have 2 of those. So I'm just going to place that right here. So this completes my Tablescape Tuesday for today with a fruit theme, my favorite fruits. I want to thank you all for watching, and hopefully you got some inspiration on how to perhaps decorate your table with some of your favorite fruit. Whether they're real fruit or faux fruit, it'll look fabulous. I love how it says Hello Summer at the end of the table runner there. Very cute. Oh, I also wanted to show you the blueberry plate under the bowl here. That was also thrifted. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.